Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how you can awaken your Blox fruit super easily and super interestingly, so let's go. For that to work, first of all, we either need to buy a Blox fruit or find a fruit in the sea. Of course, there will always be some Blox fruit dealers, and you can of course buy some Blox fruits from these guys. Of course, they sell you different Blox fruits, but of course, the ones they don't have, you have to get them through the sea, and they of course tell you that as much. As you can see right now, like different fruits and everything, and yes, they have different prices, different caches as right now. For example, they don't have the ice or darkness or something like that, but for example, they have the rocket. I can buy this one or just find one at the sea. After getting my Blox fruit, I need to go to this island right next to the hot and cold island, which is the factory, which is the special factory we need to do to awaken our Blox fruit. We will go to the factory, and when we get into factory, we need to enter the secret code, which is red, blue, green, blue. Right now, just like this, just like you see. When this is open, we will go to the newly opened ladder, and with that we will just go and talk with the scientist and select a raid. Before it got patched, you were able to do the, of course, Blox awakening without actually doing a raid and just do it with some glitches, but it is patched, so we have to do the raids right now. Of course, after talking to the scientist and selecting a raid, of course with money of course, we will go into this pod, interact with the computer, and if you have friends, you can just call them too. But for this video, right now, as you can see, you can do it all by yourself as well. You will get into the pod, start the raid, and then do 5 island worths of raids. Of course, some of your abilities will be closed, and the 5th island is actually a boss. After you beat the boss, it will send you to the approximate place, and after going to that place, your Blox fruit will be awakened and it will let you buy some of the abilities so you can start your journey with your new awakened fruit. I hope this video helped you guys. If you did, great. We hope to see you in the next videos. Have a great day and goodbye.